replacing the cabin filter on your smart car is by far the easiest intervention you can ever have to do in the whole of the automotive world. Now, it only consists of removing two clips on the airbox, as it were. So just remove these two clips, grab a flat blade screwdriver and pry the old filter out. And it's obviously more of a fiddle to get the new one in. You can spend more time doing that, but the whole intervention literally lasts probably less than 2 minutes. There are two available fitments for the filters. There are either these carbon activated filters or this regular just plain paper filter. Both are interchangeable, so you can just grab which one is available at your local parts dealer. You only have to be careful that the airflow arrows go the correct way, and then it's just a matter of putting the cover back on, snapping these two clips in, and Bob's your uncle. Job done. Move to something else. Thank you for watching. Catch you all in the next video.